Struggling with overcooked, gummy rice or scrubbing away at burnt grains stuck to the bottom of an outdated stovetop pot can quickly turn weeknight meal prep into an exhausting chore. Traditional rice cookers often rely on basic, single-temperature thermal switches that boil water blindly, leaving you with dry patches or an overflow of starchy water all over your clean kitchen counters. The COSORI 10-cup rice cooker completely reinvents your kitchen routine, packaging professional-grade culinary intelligence into a sleek, modern black profile. Moving far beyond a basic single-purpose gadget, this powerhouse multi-cooker acts as a smart kitchen assistant that monitors your food in real time, bringing fluffy, restaurant-quality grains and effortless one-pot meals straight to your family's dinner table. The standout technological triumph of this COSORI model is its advanced 18-function microcomputerized fuzzy logic technology. While ordinary cookers operate strictly on a rigid on-off timer, the internal brain of the COSORI continuously gauges the humidity and moisture levels inside the chamber throughout a precise, multi-stage cooking cycle. It makes instant, micro-adjustments to the temperature curves to guarantee flawless results, whether you are brewing a delicate batch of white rice, high-fiber brown rice, sushi rice, or dense multi-grains. This meticulous temperature management extends effortlessly into a versatile 18-in-1 multi-cooking ecosystem, loaded with specialized, dedicated settings to slow-cook hearty stews, oatmeal, and even sauté aromatics like garlic and onions directly inside the pot before adding your liquid. Healthy conscious engineering and easy cleanup serve as the foundational blueprint for the interior cooking chamber. The machine features a heavy-duty, double-thick inner pot coated in a premium, non-stick ceramic lining that is entirely toxic-free, ensuring your family's meals never interact with harmful chemical coatings like PFAS, PFOA, lead, or cadmium under high thermal loads. This rounded pot is paired with a premium, heavy-duty stainless steel steamer basket that allows you to double-stack your meals, let you steam fresh salmon, dumplings, or garden vegetables up top, while your grain-based cooks simultaneously below. When dinner wraps up, cleanup takes only seconds. Both the ceramic inner pot and the stainless basket slide out smoothly and are fully dishwasher safe, eliminating the need for tedious hand scrubbing. Managing a chaotic family schedule or planning your breakfast in advance is completely seamless thanks to a smart 24-hour delay timer and automated climate holding framework. The front of the sleek black chassis features a clean, responsive digital touch control panel that lets you program your dinner up to a full day in advance, meaning you can load your ingredients in the morning and return home to a perfectly cooked, piping hot meal after a long workday. The moment the cooking cycle concludes, the machine automatically transitions into a gentle 24-hour keep warm mode. This holds your food at a food-safe temperature without drying out the grains or creating a hard, crusty bottom layer, keeping your food fresh and ready to serve whenever your family is ready to eat. With a massive 10-cup uncooked capacity that effortlessly yields up to 20 cups of fully cooked fluffy grains, this unit provides plenty of space to comfortably feed large families, host weekend dinner parties, or knock out a full week of high-volume meal prep in a single automated cycle. Out of the box, the comprehensive kit comes fully equipped with everything you need to get cooking immediately, packing a handy rice paddle, a soup ladle, a precise ingredient measuring cup, and a chef-curated recipe book to inspire your next culinary creation. If you are ready to permanently fire yourself from the stress of checking on boiling stovetop pots, eliminate the hassle of dirtying separate pans to steam sides, and claim an incredibly versatile, ceramic-coated culinary hub that turns grains, stews, and steamed proteins into a hands-free masterpiece, this 18-function rice maker is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you are using this to meal prep healthy brown rice or whip up easy one-pot family dinners first. And I will see you in the next video.